Hey, let me show you my extreme bass setup on the Galaxy Buds 3 FE. So for sure, to do that, we have to open this Galaxy wearable application on our device. If you are using iOS device like iPhone or iPad, it's not available, unfortunately. So go to the sound quality and effects, select equalizer, and you have to go for the custom one. And first of all, we are gonna start from the left side, from the low frequencies. So this one, I will actually go from for plus 10. This is the deep rumble and sub bass. Now for 125, I will actually go for plus 8. Yeah, plus 8 like so. And it will add a big punchy bass impact. The next, the 250, I will go for plus 6, just like that. And it makes the bass thicker and fuller. 500 frequencies we've got here, I will go plus 2. And it will keep some warmth, but not overpowering. The next one, we got 1K. So I will actually lower this one for -2. And it will actually prevent the sound from being muddy. And for the 2K, I will go also with -2, which is located here. There we go. The next 4K, I will stay with 0, just like that. So we will leave that flat for balance. 8K, let's go for +2. There we go. It's gonna add some sparkle so it doesn't sound dull. And 16K +3 to actually keep brightness and detail in the highs. And let me show you how you like it. The default one, bass boost, it's not that good like my custom setup. I really enjoy this one. It's like super extreme bass boost. Let me know what you think about this one.